Hello and welcome everybody to the Petit Move special edition of C-Walk tutorial series Walk Your Way. I'm very glad and happy that you decided to join this course and want to be a part of this Petit Move movement. So thank you for being here, for improving yourself with these moves, and I'm very happy that I can teach you and show you maybe some tricks and advices. So at first I just will show you three major advices that I use to improve my training and to be in my step mode. So we will start with the first advice. This will be always start your C-Walk moves with a closed V-step formation. It's very important. So you can see it. I will have my feet like this, not like this. Here's the cross that you can put yourself on your on the ground to orientate my moves. So I will start with a closed V-step position, and from here I can go easily to the right side with a V-step, and then we can go back and go to the other side again. So when I would start with this position, where my feet will look like at the same direction and being very close to each other, I can't really move my toes and my heels to make an open V, as you can see. Neither open V nor a closed. You see, I can move nowhere actually. So it's important that you have a little space to this, and you will be really focused that you start on the closed V-step position, because from here we can go easily to the right side and also to the inside and to the other side. If you would start with the open V position, we can also start here, but then we have to go like this and that. It's also okay if you make some variations, but if you really want to be sure that this move will look tight and cool, choose for the closed V-step formation. So this was the first advice. The second advice is there's a lot of coordination training needed when it comes to C-Walk. So it's important that you can move your right foot, your right leg, and your foot, and your left leg and foot completely by itself, like not really by itself, but manual, so that you can make like this training that I use, like right toes first, boom, left toes, boom, right toes, pound, and left heel, pound. Also 2 times toes, 2 times heels, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we go to the outside. We go make step, 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 step. Again, a little bit slower. For this position, actually, this is not really trying to move. This is just a coordination training. So I just decided to use this formation, not the closed V-step, okay? So this is just practice for you at home to get a better coordination. So again, right first, outside with the heel, over the toes, back, other side, the same, back, and then we go over the right heel with the right toes to the outside, and again, and then the other side, the left side, and again. And faster it will look like step, 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 step. And if you're better in this and making these steps, you'll be better in doing your moves slowly and more smooth, you know? So the third major advice that I can give you is that you just enjoy what you do. This is the best advice that I can give you. Don't lose the passion for yourself. Don't be too hesitating. Take the time you need. Take all the patience you can, and don't stress yourself. It should make joy. So it's the beauty is in the process, as you can see. So just get comfortable with trying, with errors, with making mistakes, but you will get better, I can assure you. So thanks for this. We will see us in the next video. Your Petit Move. Stay tuned.